Alright guys, so you just connect the positive to the positive and negative to the negative. So red positive, black negative. So we're going to go ahead and plug this in here once we have it connected. Hello everyone, today we're taking a look at LOKITHOR's jump starter. Let's go ahead and unbox this, show you guys everything you get. So you guys get a nice carry-in bag to put your accessories and items inside. Don't forget you're going to have accessories underneath here. Okay guys, so it comes with an accessory bag as well. Here's your alligator clamps. We can see that they got copper, at least copper up until the line. Not sure about the actual gauge wire if it's copper, but the teeth are copper and it is pretty thick, 6 AWG, so that's good. You got your type C to type C power charging cable, type C to USB cable. You have your compressor, different ends for inflating different things, and here's your compressor line. Now I will admit this is one of my favorite brands. I have two favorite brands of jump starters, and LOKITHOR is one of my favorite, and also Noco Boost. So for jump starting, you would connect this into here, and if you want to charge devices, you can connect into here. So you can charge your tablets, your cell phones, MP3 players, and so much more. You have a nice light on the side. Here's an amazing new feature from LOKITHOR, is take a look at this. Lift up, pull out, and you can replace the battery. That's right, my friends. You can have multiple batteries from LOKITHOR. So if you are on the go, camping, off-grid, you can do a lot of things with this. Here's going to be where you connect your compressor line. And if we can go ahead and show you guys, they have an easy thread on. So all you have to do is spin this. So we place this on and we spin it. Quick and easy. Press the power button and it will load everything up. You can select from kPa to PSI to bar. Then you just adjust the PSI that you want. Let's do 20. And then just press pump. And it has an auto shut off feature once it hits. Okay, so it looks like the battery's dying here, so we need to fill this up with air. Yeah, fill it. Oh my goodness, my friends, I need some coffee this morning. We need to charge this. That's why it's blinking there. We got one left. But you guys get the idea. Set your PSI. Yep, we gotta charge it. So if it starts blinking, it's good just to charge it. Don't use it. Don't drain the battery to nothing. You have your light on the top here as well. So let's go ahead and connect this. Now that we have it connected, we can see it's charging at 8 watts. We just have it to a simple USB to type C connection. So now it's working on counting up with its charging. Here we can see the bright light, couple modes. So super bright, guys, which is very handy. Overall, I love LOKITHOR. All right, guys, so you just connect the positive to the positive and negative to the negative. So red positive, black negative. So we're gonna go ahead and plug this in here once we have it connected.